Hey guys, Mark Antoine here from Savannah, Georgia, and if you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can maximize the compensation plan for your Rodan and Fields business. Guys, we're going to get right into it, and let me tell you what, you have the right mindset, because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have simply studied the craft. You're going to be present on this presentation. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets and reveal some industry secrets rapid fire. There's going to be no fluff, no wasting time, just straight facts. I want to save the number one golden nugget to the very end, and it should be able to give you those instant results. Here, ready, set, and here we go. They sell you on that golden promise. So you see those people walking the stage, you see the cars, you see all those things, and it makes it seem like it happened overnight. Let me tell you something. Those people, they put a lot of time, they put a lot of work, they put a lot of effort, and they put a lot of time into their personal development and education. Your network marketing company is not your company. You may love the products, you may love the compensation plan, you may love the upline, but guess what? You don't want to go around blasting your company logo all day, every day, because your network marketing company doesn't pay for advertising. So instead, they have you, the affiliate, going around using certain techniques, like making a list of 100 people, contacting family and friends, blitzing at the mall, talking to strangers, and hosting hotel parties. Guys, I'm going to tell you what, I'm not knocking those techniques. Those techniques work. I've done those techniques. They'll make you a better networker. But in terms of becoming a better marketer, it's going to do little for your business. That's because I once heard a top earner once say, if I talk to 10 people, 2 would take a look. If I got 10 to take a look, 2 would join. If 10 joined, 2 would do something. And if 10 did something, 2 would become leaders and make some serious money. Well, I was feeling good when I heard that because I was on list 5 of 100 people. But here's the problem. Are there 1,250 people on your list? Because here's some real numbers. Instead of talk to, take a look at, join the opportunity, here's what the top earners actually doing. Getting views to content, clicks on a link, whether that's a capture page or a replicated site, and they're having individuals then join the opportunity. This means that if you talk to 1,250 people, 250 people will take a look, of which 50 would do something, and 10 would make some serious money. So whether it's talk to or view, it's going to take massive action to get that number of people to see what you have to offer. Question is, are you up to the challenge? So who's your audience? Guess what? It's not going to be family and friends. It's not going to be random strangers at the mall or in the parking lot. It's going to be other like-minded network marketers. And guess what? 95% of them are struggling. So you're going to be the person who has that value that's going to be able to help them with their issues. You also want to attract those people who are just freshly looking to get into network marketing, who may be new to the game. Okay, imagine no more. Is this one of those things? Is this a scheme? Is this that kind of thing? No more of those naysayers, that kind of thing, because you're going to have the right message for the right people. You're going to be speaking your message to the people who want to hear your message. Your problem is you don't want to be speaking to everybody and anybody under the sun. The problem is when you market to everybody, you end up marketing to no one. Your attraction marketing system is going to have the following: value, curiosity, a lead magnet, funded proposal, and follow-up. Help your team. Essential tools you need: self-hosted blog, a lead magnet, capture pages, autoresponder, customer relationship manager, and webinar software. Here's some important things to remember. It's social media. It's not business media. So please stop pitching, because what happens is, if all you do is try to close people, the only kind of people you're going to attract is the type of people who close you. That's because at the end of the day, your vibe is going to attract your tribe. Don't just keep going. Don't quit. Don't let little engagement or negativity discourage you. Okay. Be consistent and keep working overtime. Okay. And there's 5 ways to do that. Okay. Your visibility is going to trump your ability. We're getting very close to that number one nugget, but this is important. Okay. Your goal is to bring as many people to what you are doing and to the valuable content that you have. Okay. Take consistent action. Keep teaching, promoting, and connecting. Do 2 to 3 posts per day and just keep consistent. Okay. Pre-qualified people, you want people who are positive, business-minded, active, and social. Okay. And when branding yourself, make sure that you're branding the image and everything that you exactly want to be, what you want to be known for. Okay. Here's your suggested model: create online content that solves the problems of those you want to attract. Attract the right people, generate a lead, connect with the lead, determine the need. You're going to be the person on the other end offering a solution. Your content marketing plan is your strategy, and it should revolve around how you could get more leads and more sales, okay? Make sure you have the right message for the right people. Here's your number one golden nugget. Speed. Your network marketing business is going to live and die on 90-day cycles. So you can go on a 90-day run. If you go on a halt, 90 days later, your business is going to be affected. Your results in your business today are based on what you did 90 days ago, and you need speed. That's the golden nugget. I hope you got value from this. Feel free to continue your education. You could click the link below. I left the exact steps I had to take to now generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day. Some people even sign up into my business on complete autopilot. I left that link in the description. So go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through point A to Z of exactly what to do to take your business to the next level and really generate those leads, those sales, and signups. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll see you guys on the other side.